Hey everyone, I'm Sherry with Mature Beauty Studio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about at-home hair coloring. Now, if during COVID you got stuck coloring your hair, or if you're just a person who's always colored your hair at home, I have my 3 favorite products that I have discovered for doing at-home hair color that are really great, and I wanted to share them with you. So let's get started. My first one is for all over hair coloring. So I normally do my hair probably every 8 weeks. And I've tried a lot of different drugstore brands. And although the color was okay, it never seemed to last. And I also felt some of them were really harsh on my hair and did a lot of damage. So I finally tried a product from Madison Reed, and you may have heard about them. And it's a great hair care line, and it's much cleaner than any other product that I've used, so it doesn't do damage to my hair. They have a lot of different coloring, or a lot of different colors you can choose from. And it's pretty easy to do a color match online. Now, the first time I did it, I got a color that I felt was nice, but it was really dark brown, and I like to have a little bit more auburn highlights. So I was able to actually talk to one of their colorists, and what she did for me is take 2 different shades they had and sent me a tube of each, and that way I could mix my own color. So that was kind of a nice service. So you do have the option of talking to a colorist if their standard colors don't work for you. So it's a pretty simple process. It's like most home care coloring kits that you get. There's the color and there's the developer. You mix them in a bottle, and you can either put it on with a squirt bottle or you can actually use the brush. So sometimes I have a hard time getting to the back of my head doing it that way. So I actually enlisted my husband to help me with that, which was awesome. So I'm in love with Madison Reed. I can't say enough about them. I think their customer service is great. I think their product is great. It's a little bit more expensive than drugstore quality, but I really think it's more of a professional quality, so it's really worth it. I believe it's probably in the maybe $22 to $25 range, and you can order it online, or actually I've seen it at Ulta too, so that's another option. So second product that I use is actually from Clairol, and sometimes at maybe 5 or 6 weeks, my roots start getting a little gray. I'm dealing with this right now where around the temples and up here I'm getting gray, and I want to do just a little bit of root touch up, but I don't want to do the whole head of hair. So I found this Clairol root touch up is really nice. What you get is, again, developer and color. You get a small brush like this, and then a little dish that you're going to mix the products in. And you basically just kind of dip it in and go around the areas around your temples, your different parts. You don't get a lot of product in here, so if you have a lot of work to do or your roots are really showing a lot, that's probably not a good idea. Then you would go and do the full hair color. But when you have just a little bit of gray peeking out and you want to prolong your full hair dyeing, maybe by 2 or 3 weeks, the Clairol root touch-up is a really great option. And then the third item that I really like is actually by L'Oreal, and this one is called a Magic Root Cover-Up. So again, if you're getting just a little bit of white and you want just to maybe cover up in a part, you haven't gotten a chance to do your hair coloring yet, this is great. So it's simply a spray, and you just shake it. It has a nice little, really kind of precise nozzle on it. So what I usually do is find the part where I usually part on, and if this one needs a little color, I will simply just go put my hand up here so it doesn't get on my forehead because it's pretty pigmented, and just give it a little spritz. Again, for these spots right here, just put my hand there. And that does a really great job of just kind of covering up those grays. And this product, again, is maybe in the $10 range, and you can get it at Target or any drugstore. So those are my 3 favorite products. If you're doing some at-home hair coloring or some root touch-up, I think you'll find these come in a lot of different colors, and they're very easy to use. So if this was helpful to you, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up on the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'm also on Facebook under Mature Beauty Studio if you'd like to follow me. So thanks so much. I'll see you again soon.